You have a home insurance. Why don't you use it? I don't get it. You're paying for your home insurance and you don't use the stuff you have in there. This makes no sense to me whatsoever. Let me repeat this again. You pay for home insurance and you don't use the service that you have already there. Why would you? There's so many services included with your home insurance that you probably don't even have heard of. For example, installation of, I don't know, TVs, technical equipment. You can actually call me, well, the insurance company, it depends who you're working with, and ask them to install the damn thing for you. Curtain, you buy yourself a new curtain. You buy yourself a new curtain, I'm not joking, eh? You can ask them to put it up for you. Window isolation, the same thing. You could call the insurance company and put it up for you. Change or install wooden knobs, handles, the whole thing. Changing hinges in the kitchen furniture also is included in your home insurance. Just imagine another thing, you go to IKEA on the weekend and you buy yourself a small wardrobe. Well, you could spend it's like 2 or 3 hours to find out where to put number 1, number 2. You put the whole thing together. If you're excited about this, do it. But you could also call your insurance company and they put the bloody IKEA furniture up for you. You don't have to pay anything whatsoever. I'm just saying, okay? Etc., etc. Blind cord replacement, the thing, la persiana, how they're calling it in Spanish. You're putting it down and the string always breaks and you need to buy a new one. You could actually call your insurance company and they put the damn thing up again. I'm just saying, okay? Radiators purge. I know it's a silly thing. It's not huge, but everyone knows how to do it. Just a simple radiators purge where you have to go around, each radiator and get out the air. You can have this done if somebody comes and does it for you, okay? Etc., etc., etc. So if you don't want to take advantage of that, it's because you do have too much money. Otherwise, if I were you, I would use it. Okay, I hope that is useful. No, I won't come personally. I just had a gentleman a few seconds ago asking me if I come personally. No, keep dreaming. I personally don't come, but I make sure that somebody comes to help you with the stuff. Let me repeat this again. I personally won't come, but I make sure you get somebody who does it, who puts this, who fixes this for you. So this is just an added comment.